Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Janet. Today's video I'm super excited to film because it is a request from LV 2013 all the way from England. So my last video I did a Golden Goose sneaker unboxing, and I did also share my Gucci sneakers there. In today's video, as requested, I will be doing a comparison of the Golden Goose sneaker and the Gucci sneaker. I also wanted to let you guys know that I did film this video yesterday and I had technical issues with my camera, and basically I'll insert some of the footage here. It's not usable because I wasn't recording sound, which was so frustrating when I tried to edit it. Secondly, I'm sitting in front of a window and I think the sun is coming in and out, so I apologize if the lighting is off during the video. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Let me start with a quick story on why I have both shoes. I probably noticed Golden Goose a year and a half to 2 years ago and was like, oh, those are cute. And so about a year ago, I was in LA. They actually have a Golden Goose store, and I started trying them on in the store and trying them on wherever I saw them because they have so many different styles. And then at the end of the trip, I was trying them on, showing them to my husband. He was not a fan of the Golden Goose. He just thought why would people want worn looking shoes? They're not cute. They look like Converse. So I was like, okay. So he suggested I try the Gucci sneakers on, and he basically bought them for me thinking that I would forget about the Golden Goose sneaker, which I did not. Finally, about 3 weeks ago, I broke down and got some, and I love them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the comparison of the two sneakers. Since the Gucci sneaker was my first sneaker, I'll go ahead and get started with that one. And this is what it looks like. I totally love it. Super cute. I will start with the price. So the price for this one is, this exact one is $680. I know that you can get one that's a little less expensive if you don't have the B on there. And I actually like the B because I also have a backpack that matches it, but that's another story. As far as the fit goes for the Gucci sneaker, I feel like they run a little big. So I was able to get size 9 US. I run between like 9, 9.5, and 10 in shoes, just depends on who made them, but in this one I was able to get a size 9. Styling the Gucci sneaker was a little bit harder. I feel like it's a flashy sneaker, and the red and green for me made it a little difficult to style just because I feel like I tend to get matchy-matchy, or what I want to do is wear a color that will bring out the color in the sneaker, which you don't have to do, but when I first got them, that's what I wanted to do. But at the end of the day, they are just sneakers and you can pretty much wear them with anything. Like I said, they're red and green. They have two different backs, so sometimes people are like, oh, your shoes don't match. But next, I'm gonna talk about the comfort. So right out of the box, I personally felt like the shoe wasn't very comfortable. It was like, oh my God, I paid, this much money for a pair of sneakers and I couldn't wear them. Like, they would hurt my feet for a long period of time. But after a few wears, I guess I broke them in, and now they're very comfortable. Okay, now with the Golden Goose sneaker, I got these about 3 weeks ago, I would say, and I am obsessed. I love them so much. They're just so cute to me. Let's go ahead and start with the price. So this exact pair I bought for $480, but I have seen some Golden Goose sneakers that can go all the way to $1,000, but it just depends on the style. So if they have like bling on them, or they just have extra stuff, they're over 500. I got lucky and these were 480, but this is exactly what I was looking for, just like a really neutral pair. The fit on the Golden Goose sneaker is so tricky. So like I mentioned, I started trying them on like over a year ago, and because they're like a handmade shoe, like each of them are like different. So it's not like a machine's making them, they're all the same. They're a little different. And the other thing is there's absolutely no half sizes. And to me, I am a true size 9.5, my foot. In the majority of my shoes, I am 9.5. So because they don't make half sizes, it was really difficult for me to find a pair that fit like, oh, and the other thing, one foot of mine is bigger than the other. So one shoe would fit perfect and then the other shoe would be tight or big or what have you. So that is kind of a struggle. If you have like a normal foot, not like me, it shouldn't be an issue. I would probably size up. I feel like they run a little small. So I did get size 10 US in them. Styling these, let me just tell you, they go with absolutely everything. I love them so much. They're so neutral and so easy to style. I've tried them on with like so many different things in preparation for this video that I'm like, oh my God, I have so many outfits now. And also, since I got like a really neutral shoe, I did buy these leopard shoelaces on Etsy, so I can change them out and give the shoe a little more pop if I want to, but if I don't want to, I can always just leave the gray shoelace on there. Comfort on the Golden Goose sneaker is right out of the box. They were very comfortable. I had no issues. I wore them. My feet didn't hurt. It was like, yay, comfortable sneakers. Oh, what is that? They have like kind of like a platform inside, so I don't know if that's what makes them more comfortable. If you clicked on this video for a comparison on help on which sneaker to buy, that's definitely a hard decision. They're both gorgeous luxury sneakers. I love them both. I feel really lucky to have them both. I feel like the Gucci is a little more Gucci. I don't know, is that a word? Or bougie? Just a little more like, hi, look at me. And then the Golden Goose sneaker is, to me, a little more like, I feel like not everyone even knows what they are or even has them. So I feel like they're like a little more unique and you might stand out a little more because not everyone wears them. Let's go ahead and get into how I style each sneaker and some inspiration for you guys. Starting with the first outfit, I do want to say that I did not go out and buy anything for this video. I just wanted to show you guys how to wear the sneakers, and you probably have stuff in your closet, so no need to buy anything, or if anything, maybe just like one or two things. The headband for this outfit, I love it so much. I bought this at Banana Republic and I just think it's like such a statement piece and super cute. This black button-down shirt is also from Banana Republic, and then I have white jeans on since it is summertime. And then for my bag, I decided to use a pop of color, which is this yellow bag. Here is the complete look from head to toe. Yeah, super cute. Love it. All right, here we are with outfit number 2, and this is a Gucci sneaker outfit, super easy. Let's start with, the only thing I changed, I did add this J necklace because I feel like my neckline looked a little bare. And then I have this red top that I got at H&M, I don't know. I did also change out my watch to this vintage Gucci watch I've had like literally since high school, I feel like. And then for my bag, I decided to wear my Gucci crossbody, and then I stuck with the white jeans for summertime. And then there is the sneaker. So here it is from head to toe. Okay, here we are with the next outfit. So super easy. I did change my earrings to just little pearls because I feel like this would be like a movie outfit for me or something comfortable. And then I have this graphic tee, and so that is one of the things I did shop for. Like I said, after I bought the sneakers, is some white t-shirts, graphic tees with red lettering. I just thought, like, I don't know, it would look better. And then this little cardigan is old. It's from Zara. And then I have jeans on, and then I have the Gucci sneaker. And to tie in the B on my sneaker, I have my Gucci backpack. This is it. It's super cute. It has the same little gold B that my sneakers do. Here is the outfit from top to bottom. Just super casual, very, very casual. The next outfit is a little dressier. I'd probably wear this to work, honestly, on like a casual Friday. So I have a black blazer, and this is old, also from Banana Republic. I like to buy work clothes at Banana Republic. I just feel like the price is good and the quality is really good. And then I have this white camisole under. I added my Gucci belt for like a little pop of like, hello. I have jeans on, and then to tie in the Gucci sneaker, I am carrying my Louis Vuitton Alma bag. Here is the outfit from head to toe, just kind of a little dressier, maybe for casual work environment, but you still get to wear your sneakers. Okay, on to the next outfit. I'm gonna do some shorts, and honestly, I feel like you could wear either sneaker with this outfit, just change out a couple of things and they would work. But let me share what I'm wearing for this outfit. I have these super cute, I think they're called Uncommon James earrings, and then this little head scarf. I put my hair like in a side ponytail, and it is from H&M. And then because I am always cold, I live in Texas and it's freaking hot outside, but when you go inside to like a restaurant or the movies, it's freezing. So I like this little light sweater, and I got this one from Zara, and I have these A Goldie high-waisted shorts. For my bag, I have this Louis Vuitton crossbody bag, and then I did do the Golden Goose sneaker for this outfit. So here it is from head to toe. Okay, if you're still with me, thank you. I only have like one more outfit after this one to share. I would like you guys to let me know below what one is your favorite so far, or if you guys have some tips on like outfits that I might like. I did want to share a dress option. I have seen a lot of people wear the sneakers with dresses, and honestly, this outfit you can do either the Gucci or the Golden Goose. But this simple like black dress that I bought at Nordstrom, you could do any black t-shirt dress or any pretty much neutral dress that you have. I did put on gold accessories just to kind of like bring out the gold in my sneaker. And for my bag, I'm carrying my Gucci backpack, which you can, that's why I feel like I could wear the Gucci sneakers as well, because the backpack would match the sneakers. But for the video, I'm wearing the Golden Goose, and I think I could also probably wear the leopard shoelaces here, or black, because I also got black ones. Here is the outfit from head to toe. Super casual, cute. Oh my god, you guys, we made it to the last outfit. I cannot believe that I filmed this video 2 times, but let me tell you, I feel like this one is coming out way better. So hope you guys enjoy it. I feel like it's worth it filming it again. So now to the outfit, I just wanted to give you guys a hat option. I do wear hats a lot in the summertime. So this hat is from Nordstrom. And then I added this green silk button-up shirt. And I have blue jean cutoff shorts because hello summer. And then my Gucci bag. And I did wear the Golden Goose for this outfit. Let me share the video from top to bottom. I love wearing hats in the summer if I don't wash my hair. I actually would love wearing hats all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video.